a bond that lets us be one. The strength to make us grow and have trust in each other. We're strong women with heart and soul. All around the world, we're having faith in one another. The joy of mutuality makes us a strong community where the
Hello, girls. During my time as president, it was in the prehistoric days when there was no internet, even email, none of those things, but we managed pretty well. We had an exhibition of artifacts from 100 years ago, and that was very well received. We had the usual fundraising efforts. MS Subbalakshmi came to sing for us. But the one thing that stands out is that for our Onam celebration, instead of Innerville members, the Rotarians did the Tiruvadira for us. It was a fun year, but we also managed to do quite a few good things.
Good day to you, ladies. If I call you girls, many of you are really girls compared to me, but maybe it will make me feel more old. So I think I'll stick to ladies. I'm just sharing with you very, very, very briefly a few of the highlights of my term as president of our prestigious Innerville Club. I had the advantage of having Mrs. Sethuraman as my mentor and guide as the immediate past president, and Indira CPNR as the wonderful secretary. All the other committee members were exceptionally good. That is my fortune. Though I took over with quite a bit of hesitation, because I have a good judgment about my own capacities or lack of capacities for that matter, it was a wonderful year. As my sister has remarked, it was a fun year. We had a lot of things to do and to enjoy, and to the best of our capacity, standing within the constraints of our club rules, we have been able to do quite a bit. I look back with satisfaction and gratitude that we were able to do that much. Vani Jaram's fundraising concert, Ganamela, whatever you would like to call it, in the Senate Hall, was a real money spinner, and we had the extreme distinction of winning quite a few awards from the district. Some of them were first, I was told, including the Best Club Award, if I remember right. So that all those things stand out. It was a wonderful year. I have a request. I'm not reminiscing, but I have a request to those of you who have not yet taken on the presidentship. Please do it. It would be a wonderful experience, a gratifying and satisfying experience. And to quote the oft-quoted Innerville prayer, we would perhaps remember that we have not lived in vain. God bless.
I came to Trivandrum, a place very far away from home, very different language, culture. I was a little worried. But when I joined Innerville, Innerville gave me friends who became my family and gave me a lot of happiness. I'm so thankful to Innerville for giving me all this.
Greetings to all members. Thanks to the message from Senior Princess Gauri Parvati Bai, I got the opportunity to re-link with Innerville Club of Trivandrum. I feel very happy. It brings back to my mind all the pleasant memories associated with Innerville. Wish you all a bright Innerville year. Thank you.
It's harmony we feel, standing together in our will.
I became the member of our club at the age of 22 in 1974-75, perhaps the youngest member of our club those days. Then I became the secretary twice during Mrs. Seduraman's term and Mrs. Jaya Chandrahasan's term. The presidentship during my time in 1988-89 was wonderful with an efficient secretary, Mrs. Aisha B. Meno. We together conducted Master of Ceremonies for many Innerville functions and Rotary Conference during the year of Rotarian Governor Dr. P. Sugumaran at the Trivandrum Club. Our fundraising project was having a sale at VJT Hall where all our members used to come and make hot eateries and we could sell it to the public. During my term, we presented a bulletin beacon which still continues. On the whole, those days we all had much fun and enjoyed a lot of friendship. For a few years, we had president couples in Rotary and Innerville clubs of Trivandrum in the same year. This was first started by Mrs. Komalam T. Nair and her husband, Rotarian Trivikraman Nair, and it continued for some years. Thank you.
Hi, my dearest Innerville sisters. I am sending this audio message as I am unable to attend the past President's Day meeting. While wishing you all the best, President Lalita and the members, I just want to tell you that some of the happiest days of my life were spent attending the Innerville meetings with the fantastic entertainments and the high tea which was much looked forward to. I cannot forget the love and affection shown by all of you and of our two lovely princesses who graced the meetings with their royal participation. COVID has robbed me of my job and chased me out of my house into the loving care of my daughter Wahida, with whom I am staying now. Wishing all of you all the best and praying for COVID-free days to come as soon as possible. Please take care and follow the instructions to drive this virus once and for all.
It's charity we are living it we can help,
We had great fun and fellowship along our Innerville journey. There were so many incidents, stories, people who helped us, our 10-day-long participation at flower shows, food fairs, etc. They were all challenging as well as bringing good bonding between us all. My children were small and would come with me to all these fairs, but it was never nerve-wracking as there were loads of aunties who looked after Karen and Marco. Even the Rotarians would pitch in and help us for our sales. We've had great fun.
around the world, we're having faith in one another. Joy of mutuality makes us a strong community. We're the young.
I stepped into my extended family, the Innerville family, during the year 1995-96, and it was a total bliss. During that period, we managed to organize a walkathon to bring awareness about polio. It was a collective effort of the then district chairman, Mrs. Sangeeta Jayasingh, Association President Dr. Muriel Sugamaran, and many others. The army was kind enough to send their band. During that period, the Clean City, Green City drive was on under the worshipful Mayor Mr. Shivankutti. We could get sponsors to install dustbins in the most prominent places in the city, a total of 5 bins. To conclude, contentment is the best of riches.
Our club constructed a bathroom for the bystanders of the Children and Women's Hospital at Thaikad. With the kind help of Rotarian Chandra Hassan, we were able to have famous singer Jesudas as our chief guest in one of our meetings. We were able to take him to the Rotary School for children in need of special care, and the children enjoyed it immensely. Our club had successfully completed all the tasks under the various avenues of service. Thank you.
I became the president of our club in the year 2004-05. It was a year of great learning to understand deeply our organization, establish lifelong friendships, and enjoying the gratification as we lend a helping hand to the needy around us.
My presidential year 2011 to 2012 at Innoville Club of Trivandrum carries very happy memories for me. It was a matter of pride. My project at Velanadu with dental health, education, toilet building, recycling, and many more earned me a good name and spread the name of Innoville everywhere. Every occasion organized for the members was joyful for me. Thank you.
Hi friends, the stimuli for me to take up the presidential mantle for the 4th time of a club that was fairly new to me were actually the friendliness and the enthusiasm of the club members. The same factors provided the impetus needed to carry out the projects, especially for the benefit of the girls, through toilet construction and also scholarship disbursement. Thank you so much.
Hello, President and friends. I had the good fortune to be the president of this club in 2017 to 2018. I had really enjoyed the tenure. The year-long tenure was, of course, hectic, but it truly enriched me with a lot of learning and experience through diverse activities of charity and meaningful friendship. Thanks to Innoville.
I became the president in the year 2019-20. It was a year of celebrations which included Friendship Meet Chippi at Kanyakumari, Onam and Christmas celebrations at HM Hall, Teachers' Day at Rotary Institute, Intercity Meet at Uday Samudra Kovalam, District Conference at Ramnad and sightseeing tour there, and one-day picnic to Anandara Resort, Attingen. We had done a lot of charity work, and girls' toilet complex reconstruction at Ambalathara School
was our club's significant project. My team included Best Secretary Rupa Shiva, Best Treasurer Shubha Rao, Best ISO Dr. Lalita Ramakrishnan and Best Editor Vijayalakshmi Kumar. PDCs were our guiding stars. I enjoyed my presidentship very much.